Good morning, YouTube. Hope this video finds you well. It's Monday, November the 13th, and it was a good weekend. Hope you guys had a good weekend. I know mine was pretty good. Michigan won on Saturday. The Bears lost yesterday, but I've been a Bears fan for a long time, so I've got thick skin when it comes to that. Had some friends and family over. That's always good. And today's my daughter's birthday, so I get to have cake and ice cream tonight. So not many complaints. So let's take a look at let's look at Bitcoin. It's at 65.98. It did a little bit of a rally because last week I think it got down to $56 or $5,700. The main reason behind that is we haven't discussed forks, but there was a proposed hard fork that was supposed to happen this week. And a lot of people, I think, bought Bitcoin in anticipation of the fork, because when there's a hard fork, you get you keep your whatever amount of Bitcoin you have, you get the new currency equivalent, so you almost double when that happens. So a lot of people bought in anticipation of that, in my estimation, and the fork got canceled. So a lot of people probably sold out of their positions, and then downward pressure starts, and people jump out and take profits and all that kind of stuff. So I pulled up a chart. I don't have charting software for Bitcoin because I don't trade it like a trader. I'm not in that zone for Bitcoin. I'm a long-term bull on Bitcoin, so I'm just buying as much of it as I can at every point. So I don't care what the charts do day in and day out. But looking at this chart, if you wanted my analysis, we had a trend line break here, which is significant because you tested here and then you tested here, took people out, and then there was a down move there. So whenever you get this right here, just a little FYI, you see this bull engulfing candle here. This is not a sign that it's now going to continue going up. Now it could, but if you're wrong, you're going to find out around here, 71, 72. This is a 61% retracement from this move down. So my point is, if I had to guess what I think is going to happen, it's going to come back up to the $71, $7,200 area, and then it's going to trade back down, and then it's going to test this area. And if it pushes through this, we're probably in for a longer bearish run. Most likely it'll consolidate here. I mean, I had to guess it, then it would go up in a little while, but it's probably going to come. So it's going to go up around here, probably come back down here, play a little bit, and then run. But then again, Bitcoin's run is unprecedented, so who knows what it's going to do. All right, but let's look at my account. So here's the BitConnect account, $3.70 in the lending wallet. I did a loan this morning for $10. I don't know where we started as far as the last video, where the earnings were. You can go back and look at it. But I put in $1,310 in cash, and $1,050 of that actually was put in on November 2nd, right? So the majority of the amount invested has only been in for 10 or 11 days, okay? But I'm well over, $1,310 invested. I'm at $193. I'm well over 10%. I didn't do the calculations on that. I could, but I'd guess that that's 15, 16% that I'm sitting at in a couple of weeks. So obviously, if you have your money in a savings account, you're getting 1% a year, and inflation's 3%. So you're losing 2% of your money every year just keeping it in the bank. Think about that. But so far, so good. I mean, the total earned is there. These are all my reinvestments. Let's go down here to my lending wallet. I'm going to put my transactions. These transactions are getting unbelievable because I am actually compounding money every day. I'm making a new loan every day, which means I'm compounding. So you look at today's the 13th, I got 10 cents, 19 cents, 19 cents. These are each for loans. $10 reinvest, $20, $20, $10, $10. This is the payout. And then my $1,050 loan, I got that payment, 11, 13. And then you just look at the 12th, look how many loans I have for the 12th, and the amount of loans is growing every day. There's at least one more loan on here for another amount. It's compounding. So it's a beautiful thing. The returns were fantastic last week. I think I just hit the wrong button. So those are last 5 days interest. I mean, that's amazing. 1.76 is going to get paid out tomorrow. 0.96, 0.95. I mean, this is well over last 7 days average 1.27%. So it's paying out. I'm reinvesting. I didn't show this last video. There's a real-time chart here that shows what the payout's going to be, and this is live. Every 10 minutes it updates. So based on their trading, it lets you know where we're at as far as what the payout's going to be for that day, and it looks like we're doing pretty good as long as Bitcoin keeps going up. I'm assuming they're bullish today, based on the price action. So you can track it all day. You kind of know. And then around 8 p.m. Eastern time, for me, this thing closes out, and then that's the percentage for the day. And it dips too, because it's down to 0.48 there. So, but that's it. Count's going good. Interest is being paid. I think Bitcoin is going to be fine. Again, I don't really care about the daily price action. I'm bullish Bitcoin long term. I think Bitcoin is going to be worth $500,000 in the next 10 years. So I'm all in on Bitcoin. If you guys notice, I've added a little production value in the background. If you like the songs and the music, let me know. If you didn't, let me know. Maybe I'll take it under advisement. Maybe I won't. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And this was my shorter version of a BitConnect update. Please like the video, subscribe, share it with your friends. Let's build a community. I don't get very many comments in these videos yet, so we can't have a community without you guys talking to me. Somebody's got to talk to me. So tell me what you think, or what your thoughts are, concerns, whatever. We'll get into it. So, have a voice. Thanks you guys for listening to it. I'll talk to you soon. Have a blessed day.